It's been a very busy day for you, but you're here now supporting a new initiative between the FAW and the Wales Government Education Department in terms of supporting learning skills of foreign languages on the back of the Euros, something your sister's been working hard on as well.
Yeah, it's a great initiative for the FAW to support, and hugely relevant, I think, in football, and obviously with us travelling away for the Euros in the summer, just how important the use of different languages is. A lot of the lads wish that maybe they'd had more chance to do this at a younger age, and I think with so many young people looking forward to the Euros, this will help channel their excitement. I've had the chance to play with players from all over the world. To pick up all the different languages has been something I've really enjoyed.
I suppose this is something you've been able to work closely with or involved with your sister today, which is not something that happens every day of the week. Yeah,
it's great that I've had the chance, obviously, to support her. It's something she's worked really hard on and has been passionate about. Hopefully lots of people can get into it and start learning.